India. Just the name conjures up a vibrant tapestry of colors, aromas, and flavors. For centuries, India has been a melting pot of cultures, and its cuisine is a testament to this rich heritage. From the fiery curries of the south to the aromatic biryanis of the north, Indian food is a symphony of tastes that tantalizes the palate and leaves you craving for more. It's an adventure for your taste buds, a journey for your senses. My own love affair with Indian food began in my childhood. Growing up, our kitchen was a wonderland of aromas. The scent of freshly ground spices, the sizzle of onions in hot oil, and the gentle simmer of lentils on the stove filled our home with warmth and anticipation. My mother, a culinary magician, would transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces that transported us straight to the heart of India. I remember the first time I tasted a perfectly cooked biryani. The fragrant rice, infused with saffron and spices, each grain separate and fluffy, was like a revelation. The tender pieces of meat, marinated to perfection, melted in my mouth. It was an explosion of flavors, a celebration of culinary artistry that left an unforgettable imprint on my palate. And that's the beauty of Indian food. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. India's culinary landscape is as diverse as its geography and culture. Each region boasts its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Traveling from north to south is like embarking on a culinary odyssey, each stop offering a new and exciting adventure for your taste buds. In the north, you'll find rich, creamy curries, often featuring dairy products like yogurt and cream. Think butter chicken, with its velvety tomato gravy and melt-in-your-mouth chicken pieces. Or Rogan Josh, a fragrant lamb curry from Kashmir, where the meat is slow-cooked to perfection in a medley of aromatic spices. Venture down south, and the flavors become bolder, spicier, and tangier. Coconut milk, curry leaves, and tamarind lend their distinct flavors to dishes like fish curry, a staple in coastal regions, and dosa, a crispy fermented rice crepe served with a variety of fillings and chutneys. Don't miss out on the fiery vindaloo, a Goan specialty that will set your taste buds ablaze. At the heart of Indian cuisine lies an enchanting world of spices. These aromatic wonders are the soul of Indian cooking, adding depth, complexity, and a touch of magic to every dish. From the warm embrace of cinnamon and cardamom to the earthy notes of turmeric and cumin, each spice brings its own unique character to the culinary table. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue and earthy flavor, is a cornerstone of Indian cooking. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is used generously in curries, lentil dishes, and even milk. Then there's cumin, with its warm, nutty aroma, which forms the base of many spice blends. Its smoky flavor adds depth to curries, stews, and even simple vegetable dishes. And let's not forget the fiery chili pepper, the ingredient that gives Indian food its signature kick. From the Kashmiri chili, known for its vibrant red color and moderate heat, to the fiery ghost pepper, one of the hottest chilies in the world, there's a chili for every palate. But it's not just about the heat. Each chili variety adds its own unique flavor profile, enhancing the complexity of the dish. The best way to experience the true essence of Indian cuisine is to immerse yourself in its culinary landscape. Food tours offer a fantastic opportunity to sample a wide variety of dishes, learn about regional specialties, and interact with local chefs and home cooks. Delhi, the capital city, is a melting pot of flavors, offering everything from street food delights like chaat and parathas to fine dining experiences showcasing modern interpretations of traditional dishes. Head to Old Delhi and lose yourself in the labyrinthine lanes of Chandni Chowk, where you'll find legendary street food vendors dishing out mouth-watering delicacies. For a taste of South Indian cuisine, Chennai is a must-visit. From steaming plates of idli and dosa to spicy chettinad curries and seafood specialties, Chennai's culinary scene is a treat for the senses. Don't miss out on a traditional banana leaf meal, where an array of curries, rice, and accompaniments are served on a fresh banana leaf. It's a sensory experience that's as delightful as it is delicious.